Welcome to Virtual Gardening 101. This is a place where we dig into the digital soil and reap real results. I want to thank you for joining me for another interesting feature. Before I get into this brief feature on my horticultural journey, where it all started and the influence that my paternal father had on my love for flowers, I just want to say thank you to those who have subscribed to the channel, and just ask that you continue to give me the support that I need going forward. As a child, I always had a keen interest in flowers, and so it didn't matter wherever I went. I was always drawn to gardens and flowers. And as I grew over the years, I was always planting flowers. I always had my little garden. There were times when I would take home flowers from, places wherever I went. I remember the times when I used to watch my late father, as he trimmed the hedge and he would cut the lawn. And I must say I really enjoyed watching him cut the lawn because he was very good at it. But for some reason I was never drawn to the lawnmower. The hedge shear and the machete was my kind of thing. And so by the time I got to my late teens and early 20s, let me not try to give too much information where my age is concerned. But I got the gist of how to use those tools. And so I started to cut the hedge. In fact, it became my responsibility to take care of the hedge and do some of the gardening. And I also paid close attention to what, Daddy was doing when he was taking the cuttings from the hibiscus as well as the bougainvillea plants, because those were some of the most popular plants that we had back then. And so I wanted to know how it was supposed to be done in order for them to take root. And as we celebrate Father's Day, it was the other day, I was reminiscing on, where I am today. And so I just thought I would pay special tribute to, Daddy, even though he's not around, on Father's Day, because I think the love I have for plants was nurtured by watching him over the years. And I think I'm basically walking in his footsteps, where this horticulture thing is concerned. I think I got a little from mommy because she also loved flowers, but I think most of it is coming from Daddy. And so wherever he is, I really want to big him up. I want to thank you for taking the time out to come over to Virtual Gardening 101, the place where we dig into the digital soil and reap real results. This is a new channel, and I'd really appreciate it if you could give it some support by, first of all, liking the content and sharing it with somebody, because the aim is to bring about awareness. I welcome your feedback in the comment section, and you could give the channel a further boost by subscribing as well. Once again, I want to say thank you for stopping by, and I'll catch you in another one.